Good evening everybody, the Daily Trader. It is April 20th and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Well, Palantir closed down 12 cents, 0.93%, closed at 12.79. Post-market we are up by 3 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. Yesterday, we had Palantir break this downward resistance here, this smaller short-term downward resistance, to bring the stock back to almost 11.94. And now we can see that we have a different steepness in the bullish trend. So this is a bullish channel here. The stock is going up. If it's going up, it's bullish. If it's going down, it's bearish. So this is going up a little bit. And we were going up at this speed right here, and now we seem to be increasing the speed a little bit, so the lows are getting higher and higher so far. Okay, so far this is what I see, and we broke this downward resistance here, and we broke it quite significantly yesterday, and today we made a higher high and a higher low also. We have a red candle, but Stochastic is at 30, so Stochastic has not improved a lot. It's still very low. So you know what I think about Stochastic need to be above 60 to have the stock really move up. So to me, when I see Stochastic at 30 like this, to me this is a fake move. To me, the best that we could do is maybe reach this purple resistance and cave down from it, unless I see Stochastic become dramatically different. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Okay, I need to clean up a bit. So on the 1 hour chart, so first hour of the day, we opened quite high. So we opened higher than 13 bucks. But then we could not break 13 bucks at all during the day. And we even started going lower than 12.83, which is a support. Yeah. So I'm not too sure that we are going to go places. If we go back to the 1 hour chart, if we go back to the daily chart, nothing much to see here. MACD still broken over bearish. RSI is going to play with us a lot, but now it's below 50 and VMI is still bearish. Yeah, I'm not really convinced by this. This is my opinion. To me, it's going to take a bit more than that to convince me that the stock is going to move. So I would need the stock to break this downward resistance here, this purple downward resistance at least. And then if it does it, we are so close to this 1418, 1442 resistance that there's not much sense to get into the stock at that point, because we can get hit by these two resistance again and also this one at the same time. So for me personally, I will wait for 1442 to start getting back into Palantir. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.